Chicken mole. Ingredients: 12 bone-in chicken thighs, about 4/2 pounds, skin removed. 1 teaspoon salt. Mole sauce. 1 can, 28 ounces, whole tomatoes, drained. 1 medium onion, chopped. 2 dried ancho chiles, stems and seeds removed. 1/2 cup sliced almonds, toasted. 1/4 cup raisins. 3 ounces bittersweet chocolate, chopped. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 1 chipotle pepper in adobo sauce. 3 garlic cloves, peeled and halved. 3/4 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Fresh cilantro leaves, optional. Directions: sprinkle chicken with salt, place in a 5 or 6 quart slow cooker. Place the tomatoes, onion, chilies, almonds, raisins, chocolate, oil, chipotle pepper, garlic, cumin and cinnamon in a food processor, cover and process until blended. Pour over chicken. Cover and cook on low for 6–8 hours or until chicken is tender, skim fat. Serve chicken with sauce, and sprinkle with cilantro if desired. Freeze option: cool chicken in mole sauce. Freeze in freezer containers. To use, partially thaw in refrigerator overnight. Heat through slowly in a covered skillet or Dutch oven until the thermometer inserted in chicken reads 165 degrees, stirring occasionally and adding a little broth or water if necessary.